Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and here in between the cable you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you are able to insert a nano SIM card. So let's start with that. So the contacts there on top. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are on top. And if you're ready with it, just put back your SIM tray into the SIM slot, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, by the way, you can add also a second SIM card with an eSIM profile. So just ask your provider for that. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos here if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.